my play is Crocs, a trending ticker today on Yahoo Finance. The stock stumbling today despite an earnings beat this morning on both the top and bottom line. Sales were up 40% year-over-year. Margins of 53.9%, they're up from 49.2%. But investors were disappointed in Q2 guidance, coming in well short of expectations. And another huge surprise here to the downside is recent earnings darling, which we've talked about a lot here, Hey Dude, which Crocs purchased for $2.5 billion last February. First quarter revenue there, $235 million, well below estimates. Wedbush analyst Tom Nikic writing, "We think the slowdown at Hey Dude is the biggest driver of the stock move, as investors have viewed this hyper-growth brand as a defense against the risk of Crocs North America rolling over." Nikic, though, sees this as a buying opportunity. Hey Dude gets a lot of attention here. You know what? I finally got a pair, and I forgot to wear them today. I'm so disappointed in myself.
Do they live up to the hype?
They're fantastic.
They're so comfortable.
Man.
Wow.
I can't wait. It's a perfect summer shoe. I should mention shares. Let's go back and see how far they are down at this point. Down 15%. Still up about 10% on the year. Look, I got to agree with Nikic here. There's no real indication that the demand isn't going to remain in place for Crocs and Hey Dude. It's just a little bit of the expectations. This might be a buying opportunity.
Yeah, although the CEO, Andrew Rees, did say that he did notice some softening trends in the consumer in Q1, and that there is a risk that is going to remain true for the remainder of the year, very similar to what we've seen from almost every single retail company. So it's certainly not a Crocs-specific issue. When you take a look at today's drop, though, it's on track for one of the worst days that we've seen since 2020. So a 15% drop in this stock really shows all the hype and all the expectation that really took place in shares ahead of this report.
But remember, it was a pandemic play. It's a pandemic darling. The pandemic's well behind us now. People aren't wearing Crocs anymore. That's changed.
Oh, but they are.
Young people, sure. Yeah. Young people are. But if you go to all the events, the conferences, women are wearing heels again, and they're commenting on they had put the heels behind
At conferences,
so,
sure.
Yes.
It's actually defied most pandemic trends. It has remained strong out of the pandemic.
It's changing. It's changing. That trend has turned. The corner has turned. And I mean, they saw that that's coming with making a bet on Hey Dude, for instance.
People who have Crocs love them. I've
never
bought my own pair, but I've tried them on before, and they're extremely comfortable. And you're the Hey Dude endorser here.